Managing a real estate portfolio using disconnected tools creates immediate friction. When property managers track leases in one spreadsheet and maintenance requests in the other, confusion and delays naturally follow. This diagram illustrates the problem. Notice how isolated data nodes for contracts, maintenance, and accounting fail to synchronize. That disconnect creates blind spots where revenue easily slips through the cracks. Relying on manual data entry compounds the risk. A single typing error by one department, like a transposed digit in a rent amount, can corrupt the entire organizational workflow before anyone notices. If your operational foundation relies on patching together mismatched data, scaling your portfolio is impossible. Adding more properties simply means multiplying the chaos and losing control over daily operations. Hinawi ERP addresses this by replacing fragmented tools with a single, unified digital platform. It is an enterprise resource planning system, a centralized database that organizes and synchronizes all your real estate activities in real time. Developed in Abu Dhabi, Hinawi ERP specifically addresses the unique regulatory and operational demands of the UAE and Middle East markets, refined since 1998. Consolidating your data into one integrated system moves property portfolio management out of reactive crisis control, allowing you to proactively optimize your assets. Curious? Let's look at how the real estate module actually handles complex administrative tasks. From a single interface, you can manage broad property portfolios, drill down into specific individual units, and access detailed tenant profiles. This flowchart maps how the system maintains order. From a central property node, it branches into units, tenants, and active contracts. Expanding this, a tax-compliant invoicing module attaches directly. The system automatically generates invoices, letting you seamlessly toggle between Arabic and English. This strict data hierarchy eliminates the common pitfalls of tenant turnover. Because every document and payment is permanently tethered to a specific unit and tenant, you avoid double booking, billing errors, and lost paperwork. Centralizing contract visibility removes the administrative bottlenecks that typically stall leasing agreements, ensuring a smoother process that keeps tenants satisfied. Property management extends beyond administrative contracts. It requires maintaining physical assets. The system handles this through its fully integrated garage and maintenance module. When a tenant logs an issue, the system tracks the entire life cycle of the request. It records the initial complaint, generates a formal work order, and dispatches a specific technician to the site. During the repair, if the technician needs a replacement component, the system precisely tracks the withdrawal of that spare part from inventory and automatically assigns the material cost to that specific job order. This exact same stringent workflow applies to company-owned vehicles and external equipment. From a fleet car's oil change to a commercial HVAC repair is logged, tracked, and costed. Treating physical maintenance tasks as tracked, digitized data points closes the loop on operational bleed. You know exactly where your inventory is going and what every repair actually costs. All of this data eventually reaches the most critical integration point in the software, the central accounting core. Every maintenance action and real estate contract flows directly and automatically into your financial ledgers. Watch as a job order transforms into a glowing data packet and drops into the general ledger column as a deducted cost. A second packet representing rental income drops into the same column, instantly updating your real-time financial standing. By routing everything through a unified system, operations and accounting cease to be isolated departments. They become two synchronized sides of the exact same data. This dashboard displays the ultimate executive output of that integration. Against the backdrop of a modern boardroom, you can see dynamic charts providing absolute real-time financial reporting and highly accurate data visualization across the entire portfolio. With immediate access to this reporting, property executives can make data-backed decisions instantly. There is no need to wait weeks for delayed end-of-month reconciliations to understand cash flow. The system maps every income stream and expense category. By tracking deferred revenues, tracking maintenance costs, and vacant unit losses, it eliminates the guesswork typically associated with property management. Consolidating operations into Hinawi ERP generates a precise financial record of all property activity. This ultimate level of clarity provides the exact operational stability required to scale your real estate business with absolute confidence.